Welcome to the world of TikTok monetization. This guide will walk you through the steps to set up your TikTok account for maximum monetization. First of all, you need a TikTok account based in one of the target countries such as the US, UK or France. But don't worry, there's a workaround. Chapter 1. Setting up your TikTok account. To start your TikTok monetization journey, first visit the website linked in the description. This platform offers a reliable way to create a US-based TikTok account, regardless of your current geographic location. Please carefully follow the instructions provided to ensure a smooth setup. Please note that TikTok's algorithm is sophisticated and deviating from the prescribed process may result in your account being ineligible for monetization. As an added incentive, take advantage of a special discount when setting up your account. This way, you can save money while preparing to monetize your account. Once you're set up, check to see if you can see the long-awaited Creative Program option in your account settings. This indicator confirms that your account meets the necessary criteria for monetization and is ready to start earning money. Go ahead and add some personality to your account. Customize your profile with an attractive profile photo and adjust it to reflect your chosen niche. Remember that your niche plays an important role in shaping your content and attracting your target audience. Once you've set up and personalized your account, you're ready to explore the world of TikTok monetization. Speaking of niches, let's dig deeper into Chapter 2. Here, we investigate and reveal the most profitable niches currently trending on TikTok. By choosing the right niche and creating engaging content, you can maximize your chances of success with TikTok's creative program. Find the niche market that's right for you. Find the niche. Chapter 2. Choose a niche. To start your TikTok monetization journey, the first step is to visit the website linked in the description. The platform provides a reliable way to create a US-based TikTok account regardless of your current location. To ensure a smooth setup process, it is important to carefully follow the instructions provided. Please note that TikTok's algorithm is sophisticated and any deviation from the prescribed process may jeopardize your account's eligibility for monetization. To get the best deal, be sure to take advantage of the special discount. This allows you to save money while preparing your account for monetization. Once you're set up, be sure to check if your account has the much-awaited Creative Program option in your settings. This will confirm that your account meets the required criteria for monetization and is ready to generate revenue. Now comes the fun part. Add personality to your account. Customize your profile with an attention-grabbing profile photo and customize it to reflect your chosen niche. Remember, your niche has a huge impact on the type of content you create and the audience you attract. Choose a niche that appeals to you and aligns with your interests and expertise, such as beauty, comedy, gaming, or lifestyle. Once you have set up and customized your account, you can dive into the world of TikTok monetization. Before that, let's take a closer look at Chapter 3. Here we take a look at the most profitable niches currently trending on TikTok. By choosing the right niche and creating engaging content within it, you greatly increase your chances of success with TikTok's creative program. So roll up your sleeves and find a niche that perfectly fits your passion and expertise. With the right strategy and effort, you can monetize your TikTok presence and turn your creativity into income. Chapter 3. Creating viral videos. Creating content that resonates and goes viral requires a delicate balance between creativity and strategic use of technology. AI tools can greatly streamline this process, making it more efficient and effective. Start your journey by leveraging the power of ChatGPT to create engaging story prompts that captivate your audience from the start. ChatGPT leverages its natural language processing capabilities to help you create engaging and immersive narratives. Once you receive your story prompt, visit ElevenLabs to get high-quality narration to perfectly complement your narration. Choose a voice that resonates with your audience and make sure it enhances your story, not detracts from it. We record your scripts accurately and with attention to detail for maximum impact. Next, search platforms like YouTube for top-notch, visually appealing video clips that fit your niche. These clips serve as a visual backdrop for your story, making it more engaging and engaging. Choose clips that are high quality and relevant to your story. Once you have your story and footage, use CapCut, an easy-to-use editing software, to bring it all together. Upload your content, integrate auto-captioning features, and add subtitles to make your videos accessible to a wider audience. Optimize the style and tone of your videos to ensure consistency throughout. Don't forget the importance of including the original Reddit comment to increase the credibility of your content. This small detail can make a big difference in how your video is perceived and received by your audience. Once your video is polished and perfect, it's time for the final step, optimizing it for success. Chapter 4 details the strategies you need to maximize the reach and impact of your content. Chapter 4 optimizing your videos. To increase your chances of going viral on TikTok, it's important to optimize your videos for the platform's algorithms. First, it's important to create a consistent upload schedule to maintain a stable presence on the platform. This not only keeps your audience engaged, but also prevents any suspicions of irregular activity that could negatively impact your account's performance. Additionally, including an unexpected twist or a compelling call to action at the end of your video can significantly increase viewer retention. Whether you're asking your viewers thought-provoking questions or encouraging them to like, share, or comment, these subtle additions can have a big impact on your video's performance. Eliciting responses from your audience not only increases engagement, but also increases the likelihood that your video will be shared and promoted by the TikTok algorithm. Additionally, using the TikTok Creator feature by developing a series of videos on a specific topic or topics can help you gain even more visibility on the platform. This shows the algorithm that your content is cohesive and valuable, making it more likely to be shared with a wider audience. By implementing these strategies, you can not only optimize your videos for maximum visibility, but also build a loyal and engaged fan base on TikTok. Stay tuned for more insights on how you can effectively navigate the ever-evolving social media content creation landscape and continue to grow your presence on TikTok. Congratulations! You've now mastered the art of monetizing your TikTok account. If you follow the steps outlined in this guide, you'll be able to make some serious money using TikTok's creativity program. Remember that success on TikTok requires dedication, creativity, and a willingness to adapt to the ever-changing social media landscape. So get creative and start making money on TikTok today. Also, don't forget to join our Discord community to connect with other creators and share your progress. Enjoy TikToking!